Dear students, today let us discuss about exhaust gas recirculation system. By using this system, we can reduce nitrogen oxide NO2 coming out from engine exhaust. In this system, it recirculates 5 to 10 percentage of exhaust back into inlet manifold. Here, the construction details of the exhaust gas recirculation system is shown here. This system consists of spring-loaded vacuum diaphragm linked to a taper valve, and a vacuum chamber is provided at top of the valve. So this valve controls the passage of exhaust gas. When there is no vacuum created, the spring pushes the diaphragm downward to keep the passage closed. So when the passage is closed, that arrow mark is shown there. So when the passage is closed, therefore no exhaust gas is recirculated. So it happens during idling when no NO2 is formed, or otherwise when NO2 is minimum, the exhaust gas will not enter the inlet manifold. So when the throttle valve is opened from the idle position, the vacuum will be applied so that the valve, taper valve, will gradually open. So this causes the exhaust gas to flow inside the inlet manifold. So once the exhaust gas is circulated inside the inlet manifold, it's supposed to reduce the NO2 emission. So by using this exhaust gas recirculation system, we can reduce the NO2 emission. Many engines have thermal vacuum switch, so that once the engine temperature reaches above 38 degree, so that switch will opens the EGR valve. So this system is provided in modern engines controlled by ECU, electronic control unit. Thank you.